Hey everyone, Steve here doing a review on an aluminum housing. This is for the Xiaomi Yi camera. And I ordered this on Amazon. So this is an aluminum housing for the camera. Let's go ahead and open it up. It's my Xiaomi Yi, so it doesn't have any protection to it. So what I wanted to do was to get this aluminum housing. Now it's really nice. It's milled, CNC milled housing, and it has your mount for use the GoPro accessories with it. So to attach this, it goes on the bottom. I'll show you here in a moment. So it goes in like that. And all the openings, so you have access to your helmet. Let's see if just putting it together the right way. So the bottom, see there's a hole that lines up here, and then you have the milled screw that goes into place here. Got this backwards. Here we go. Here we go. That's the right way. Sorry. So you can see you have access to you see your LEDs. That's the tripod mount. Access to your Wi-Fi and your power plus your speaker. Goes in like that, and there's an indentation for the bottom of this. It goes all together real nice. So that's it. So it's really nice. It has that extra protection if it falls. Everything is accessible, and access to you still have access to your slots in the back. And that's it. So everything looks good. Again, you have your ability, now I can mount, I can use my camera. I can attach it to my GoPro mounts. Okay, so there you go. So you can see it goes into your GoPro mounts as such, and you can use your mounting screw. So now I can use my accessories. That's it. See. So it's a cool little device. It's not much money. I think we paid like $12 for it or something like that. It came shipped from China, so it took a little while for it to come in. But it's here, and I'm happy, and I will use it. And that's it. If you have any questions about it, please let me know. And that is it. Thanks for watching.